Hello students, welcome back to Bio Decode, where biology is decoded into simple steps. Today, I'm going to tell you about the difference between antigen and antibody. So, without any further delay, let's start the topic. Important components of the immune response are antigen and the antibody. These molecules interact with each other to help the body to identify, eliminate harmful pathogens. So, let's understand the key difference between antigen and antibody. Antigen is any foreign substance that enters into the body and stimulate an immune response in the body. And these substances are recognized as non-self by the immune system. The antibody, on the other hand, is protein molecule produced by the B lymphocyte that specifically binds to the antigen. Let's move on to the second difference. Antigens are usually protein, polysaccharides, or the molecules that are present on the pathogen surface, for example, bacteria or virus. Antibodies are the specialized proteins that are known as immunoglobulins that circulates within the body fluid. Now let's understand the origin of the antigen and antibody. Antigens originates from the external source such as microbes, the bacteria, virus, or the toxins or the foreign particle. Whereas the antibodies are produced internally by the plasma cells. And what are these plasma cells? These are the activated B lymphocytes. Now let's understand the functions of the antigen and antibody. Primary role of an antigen is to trigger the immune system and initiate the production of the antibody. While antibody functions by the binding to the antigen, which helps to neutralize the toxin and block the pathogen activity or mark them for the destruction by the immune cells. This difference is about the specificity. Antigen possess specific regions called epitopes that are recognized by the immune system, while the antibodies have specific antigen binding site that are complementary to these epitopes, and this allow the highly specific interaction between the antigen and the antibody. Okay, the next difference is about the location. The antigen present on the surface of the pathogen or the foreign particles, and the antibodies found in the blood plasma, the lymph, and the other body fluids. And the examples of the antigen includes the bacterial cell wall, as we have already discussed that the antigen present on the pathogen surface. Proteins are also considered as antigen, and the viral surface proteins are also the antigen. And if we talk about the examples of the antibodies, this includes the immunoglobulins such as IgG, IgM, and the IgA. In conclusion, we can say that antigens are the foreign molecules that trigger an immune response, whereas antibodies are the defensive proteins produced by the body to recognize and neutralize those antigens. And their interactions forms the basis for the adaptive immune response. And students, if you want to learn about the difference between innate and adaptive immunity, you can check out the BioDecode page. Hope you like the video. Please, students, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel BioDecode. See you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Namaste.